And Tommy had this mantra that he instilled in us to talk to ourselves about every single time we go into a meeting, which was, before you go in, repeat to yourself, I'm a difference maker, meeting with difference makers for the purpose of making a difference. And it's basically a reminder of, like, what are we going to do here? When we're going to go and talk to this client, what difference are we trying to make? Because if the answer is there isn't one, then why are we doing it? And I've definitely been in situations since then where I've been in jobs like, I'm not going to make a difference here, so I'll leave, and I found that to be really genuinely just something that's stuck with me to the point where I can actually use it to make decisions in my life. The other two that I'll mention, there's one from Matthew Crawford, which I found quoted by Cal Newport in, I think his book's called Digital Detox, but it's about basically like unplugging a bit from mobile phones, and it's talking about how social media is engineered for dopamine hits and it's not good for you and all that kind of thing, which we know, even though we've just said social media is a massive opportunity for marketing.
Yeah.
For human beings, it's a net
Yeah.
negative.